数勢が続々とピットイン。そしてその頃激しい2位争いは
So my racing all started when I was 16. I took a course at Sonoma Raceway. My parents were involved in it, make sure that I was a safe driver and that I wasn't going to wrap a car around a tree in high school. And one of the final events was autocross. I had the second fastest time behind my dad. He realized, oh wow, this kid can drive. So there was a pursuit to do track days. I had a Volkswagen GTI at the time, it was completely stock. So that kind of prompted to find something that was dedicated for the track. We found a E30, it was a 1989 325 IS, probably way too nice to do what we were going to do to it. Slowly went through building it out, doing more track days, was able to get my competition license in 2014, been racing Spec E30 ever since. So it took me over a year. I was looking for a white four-door manual transmission M3. So when I first got the car, the first mod was definitely going with an exhaust system. The intake noise was a lot louder than the exhaust. The next step was going with ground control street coilovers, and then went with the adjustable sway bars to match with the coilovers, polyurethane bushings in the rear. The cooling system's been completely revamped just to make sure in the summer I can blast AC, don't have to worry about temps, and on the back roads I can beat it as hard as I want, don't have to worry about anything. My name is Silas Montgomery, and I drive a 1997 BMW M3. The original vision of the car was just to make a clean street car. So it was originally just the white paint, a little bit lower, a little bit louder, but then realized it's basically one of thousands of E36s that looked like that. So I found a livery. It was off a early 90s E30 M3 that raced in Japan in the Japanese touring car series. Kind of did my own little touches to it, changed a little bit of the colorway and the Japanese characters, and then kind of snowballed into going after an 80s synthwave touring car look, and that's kind of where we're at today. and make sure you use it. You know, build a car so that you go out there and you're having fun with it. You know, don't care what everyone else is doing or what the trends are or what's really going on. You know, you should get behind the wheel and make yourself smile every time you get in it. So I'd say don't care what other people think and use it, drive it, enjoy it. It's the cheapest M3 you could get.